So that's a, not even sure if it's a 250, I'm pretty sure it's a 250 watt 36 volt. I know it's a hoverboard motor. You can see the wires coming out of there. And then I've just used a bit of cable to extend it to a rectifier here. And then it goes to a meter here. I'm not 100% certain about the position of the watt meter, although it is really nice to see it. It's going to be better if it can be filmed correctly, which means the cables would go down by the battery and then also this won't rock while the bike's being pedalled. I'm going to disconnect it, so I'll disconnect the positive wire. That will still come on, and you can see the voltage can go up quite high. But because it's not connected to a load, it's theoretically not doing anything. So now I'm going to start pedalling to 24, and then I'll connect it and you can hear the sound of the motor start whining. I thought that was a good time to show you that. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect the meter and the battery for temporarily and drop all the cables down to the floor. And then it can be connected somewhere like that, and I'm going to use this old school camera. It'll be fine. Cut that. And then that's all free. I think the rectifier can be just cable tied there for now, and if I want to move it, it's just unclick the cable tie and jobs are good. I'm just going to cable tie the rectifier, and I guess it makes sense to have the outgoing power facing down. Oh, I really miss my finger when I'm putting stuff loose. There you go. One more go doing silly things. I really should cable tie that. I was wondering if you can get slick tyres, because you can see these have a fair bit of tread on them. It feels like rubber and plastic mixed in. It's almost like a bit spongy. Now we've got to set this thing up. We need to keep that wheel. I don't want to mess that up. I think I'm going to put the rectifier on here where I have the controller. I can probably use that cable tie. Boy. I moved the motor up a bit and it seems a lot smoother. The idea is to film this meter with the other camera, so one will be able to film the bike and one will be able to film this, but I just want to see what it goes up to now. So this is unloaded, so the voltage, I don't know, should go up above 40 really. Right, I'm going to record and we're going to see how fast this ends up going, because for each revolution of this, that does a certain number of times. I can't remember exactly what it is, but we'll test it out in a minute. Yeah, one pedal is about 2 of these, and then it's like 4.1 of these. That's how it ends up at 8. Start filming and pedal and keep an eye on this, because this will be going around too quickly to count. I'll just sort the motor. top. Right, there's the tape. Even if I just give a pedal a push half the way round as fast as I can there and let go. Right, anyway, that's it for now, but I think that might work better. It feels a lot tighter. I'm going to try and get a slick tyre for it. Well, I've got plenty of these motors so that I could really hack it off and then try doing something else. I must be able to put some rubber on it somewhere. But yeah, bye for now. Sweet!